Hi guys, my name is Ramprasad. I am saying about the dynamic web page using Ajax Objective Design and dynamic web page by adding and serialized username availability checking using Ajax and PHP. Use MySQL database to store user details in a local mission description, registration PHP and sample web page design. And let's see the program. Doc table and EN head meta charge UTF viewport experiment number 9 myfen http new http request http username php username plus a true http send http on a road ready state change function if this ready state function for this ready state is equals to 200 document get element by id is an inner html this responsive and script field set align is equals to center sign up for free fill in the name password answer email then click the submit to register and username passport text id URL on key of my fn this dot value passport parcel display inline block paddle left at 10% email address mail retype passport repass and button submit by division blue and field set username PHP enter get username localhost root sriramdb and select from login where username is equals to input plus icon SQL my SQL fetch array result hint username not exist username already existed hint my SQL close soon and let's run the program and the output should sign up for free, fill in the password and submit to register the sample output we got it. And thank you guys by watching my video.